Rich people are using AI completely differently to everyone else, and nobody is talking about it. Today I am showing you exactly what they do and how you can copy it with free tools starting today. Here is something most people do not realize. The same AI tools available to you right now, Claude, 11 Labs, Canva, Notion, are being used by wealthy people to multiply their income, not save time, multiply income. That one shift in how you think about AI changes everything about how you use it. Today I am breaking down 5 ways rich people use AI that the average person never considers, and every single method can be copied using completely free tools. Let's get into it. Method 1. Content at scale. Average person uses Claude to write one email faster, saves 20 minutes, that is the end of it. Rich Mindset uses Claude to build a content empire. Here's what that looks like in practice. One video idea becomes 10 pieces of content. The long video script becomes 3 short scripts. The short scripts become 5 tweet threads. The tweet threads become 1 email newsletter. The email newsletter drives people back to the YouTube channel. One idea, 10 pieces of content, all written by Claude in 1 hour. That content earns ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and sponsorship income for years. Average person saves 20 minutes. Rich Mindset builds a compounding income machine. Same tool, completely different application. Method 2. The AI agency model. Here's how it works. You use Canva AI to create social media content. You use Claude to write captions and strategy. You charge businesses $500 to $2,000 per month to manage their presence. This is not new. Social media agencies have existed for years. What is new is that AI has removed every barrier to entry. You do not need design skills. Canva AI designs for you. You do not need writing skills. Claude writes for you. You do not need strategy experience. Claude plans for you. The wealthy people who understood this early built agencies with 10, 20, 30 clients. At $500 per client with 20 clients, that is $10,000 per month. Running on free AI tools, working 10 to 15 hours per week, that is not a side hustle, that is a business, and it starts with 1 client this week. Method 3. Automated income streams. Rich people do not trade time for money once, they build systems. Here's a system built entirely on free AI tools. Step 1. Claude writes a series of YouTube scripts on a specific topic: finance, AI, productivity, health. Step 2. 11 Labs converts each script to voiceover. Step 3. CapCut edits each video with captions and music. Step 4. Videos are scheduled and uploaded automatically using YouTube's built-in scheduling feature. Step 5. Every description has affiliate links. Now here is where it becomes automated income. Those videos earn AdSense revenue every day. Those affiliate links earn commissions every day. That YouTube channel grows every day. You set the system up once. The system earns while you live your life. This is exactly how faceless YouTube channels generating $5,000 to $20,000 per month operate. One person, free tools, a system that runs itself. Method 4. Digital product stacking. Most beginners create one product and hope for the best. Wealthy creators build a stack. Level 1, a free product, a checklist, a mini guide. This builds your email list, costs nothing. Level 2, a low-ticket product, $7 to $19, a Notion template, a prompt pack, a beginner course. This builds trust and covers your costs. Level 3, a mid-ticket product, $47 to $97, a detailed course, a complete system, a done-for-you template pack. This is where real income starts. This is where wealthy creators earn most of their income. AI builds every single level of this stack. Claude writes the content. Canva designs the graphics. Notion hosts the templates. Gumroad or Teachable sells the products. You build the stack once. Every level earns simultaneously. Every new YouTube viewer enters at level 1 and moves up over time. That is the product stacking strategy, and it runs on free tools. Method 5, and this one is the most important. Rich people use AI to buy back their time. Then they reinvest that time into higher value activities. Average person saves 2 hours using AI, uses those 2 hours to watch Netflix. Wealthy person saves 2 hours using AI, uses those 2 hours to reach out to 10 potential clients, or create 2 more income-generating videos, or build the next product in their stack. This is the compounding effect that separates people who stay stuck from people who break through. AI gives everyone the same time savings. What you do with that saved time determines your results. If you use Claude to write your scripts in 30 minutes instead of 3 hours, you have 2.5 hours back. 2.5 hours to post on social media, to reply to comments and build community, to research your next video topic, to apply for affiliate programs, to pitch your first agency client. That is how AI multiplies income, not by doing the work, by freeing you to do more work. 5 methods, all free tools, all available to you right now. The only difference between how rich people use AI and how most people use AI is intention. Use it to multiply, not just to save. Every tool mentioned today is linked in the description below, all free, all beginner-friendly. Subscribe for weekly videos on exactly this: real strategies, free tools, honest results. I will see you in the next.